Heading out of the country inn here in Sonora. I highly recommend this place. The rooms aren't too awful expensive and they're not bad. I got Jay behind me. He's gonna follow me all the way to Knight's Ferry. I don't know if you can see him in the mirror. He is my neighbor there at the Country Inn Hotel. A couple of nights we got to hang out and have a few beers together and talk about rides we've been on. Jay's just starting his retirement this year and cruising all over California. And there goes Jay. Still got his blinker on. I think that's a KLR thing. Yosemite, 45 miles. There's the green light we were waiting for. Northern Yosemite Highway. Yosemite Valley. Here we go. ADV California. Through the town of Chinese Camp Store Tavern. Chinese camp. Oh, there's Chinese here. I don't know. You'd figure like those real tall houses like you see in the videos of China. This looks more like Sicilian or something. I don't know. But Chinese camp. Maybe when we get back to Nevada, we'll look up the history a little bit. I'm sure there's more to it than meets the eye. Boy, there's definitely some smoke out there, that's for sure. Fingers crossed. Hopefully we can see everything in Yosemite. Might be too cloudy. And the James E. Roberts Memorial Bridge. Oh, this is cool. Oh, it looks like it's missing a whole lane. Seems like that would make it a little tippy. They must have planned on adding a lane, or I don't know what that's all about, or why that's like that. On a good side though, well, if everything goes right, we don't have to go across it again. We are 17 miles from the Yosemite Park entrance, and it is smoky. Boy, I hope we can actually see El Capitan and all the other cool cliffs there in Yosemite. Well, I guess we'll see. But it's smoky right here. It almost chokes you up a little bit. We got to be close to wherever this fire is. Extreme heat, safe power, 4 to 9, stay cool. Well, how does that all go together? They must know a secret here in California that I don't know about. Oh yeah. So they call this the Rim of the World viewpoint. But today you can't see a damn thing. Oh, this is telling us about the fire. Rogers fire, air quality sucks. It's gonna be hot today, and there's a lot of fire. That sucks. I really hope we can actually see everything in Yosemite, or at least be able to see something. Seven miles from Yosemite. We are 1.3 miles from the entrance of Yosemite National Park. Here we go. ADV California. And it looks like the sun's coming out and the smoke might be clearing up a little bit. I don't want to cough every 5 seconds, but we're about to find out. I don't know what to expect. But I know people come from all over the world to get here. Oh, estimated wait time 45 minutes. Holy crap. Oh, that's serious. That should give us plenty of time to get a reservation out. Don't worry, no matter how long the wait is, I won't make you guys sit through it.
Morning.
How's it going?
Going well. How about yourself?
Good.
Do you have a reservation with us?
I do. Oh no, it doesn't want to load.
So if you just have an ID and it's in your name, I can look you up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I expected there to be a big line here.
Yeah, I think you still beat everybody.
I was like, oh, there'll be a big line. I can find it then. I didn't even think about not having service.
No worries. Perfect. Let me go look you up. Here's that for you. Let me get write this up for you. What, do you know the last 3 of your license plate by any chance?
Yeah, GLD.
Awesome. This will expire on the 7th. Wait till then. You just show that at any entrance station while you're driving through and we'll get you in.
Awesome. All right, thank you. Oh, and we're in. That was no 45-minute wait. Well, let's pull up here and figure out where we're going. Heck yeah, we're in Yosemite. To all my loyal subscribers, welcome to Yosemite National Park, ADV California. It doesn't look too tricky getting around here. It looks like there's a road that veers off to the right, and that's kind of the like Yosemite, like the main loop is what I'm gathering, and that takes you down to the tunnel and El Capitan and all the cool Yosemite stuff. We'll go do that loop, check everything out we can, see what we see, and then we'll be coming back out to this highway, which is Tioga Pass Road, or Highway 120. So when everybody tells you about California being busy and just being miserable, man, I would tell them they don't know jack. That's all I gotta say. Look at this, even this guy from Utah pulls over. Because we're in California, they get them out of your way. So one thing about getting in and the cost to get in, I paid $2 for the reservation, and yeah, I did that online. And then to actually get into the park, I used my America the Beautiful pass. So I couldn't even tell you how much it actually costs to get in here. I paid about $70 or $80 for that America the Beautiful pass back in February when I was down in southern Nevada, going around Lake Mead and all that area. If you haven't seen those videos, check those out right here. That was a good time. We're in Yosemite at least 3 or 4 miles now. Now, I'm not seeing any of the great big rock outcroppings or anything like that yet, but it is beautiful and it is nice and cool. 73 degrees. Yosemite National Park. The first rock outcropping. Pretty cool. Look at this. Oh, it's pretty for sure. Well, I don't think we're even quite into the heart of it yet. I haven't seen that turn off for that Big Oak Road or anything like that yet, so got a little ways to go. Oh, it is smoky out there. Wow, just smoky. Foresta. Well, let's go check this road out. I don't know what Foresta is. Not a through road. It looks like it's an out and back. No camping. Let's go take a look at this. Who knows? Maybe we'll see a bear. Residential area? It says it's a residential area. People live out here? Oh, we gotta check this out. That's pretty cool. Wonder how much it costs to get a house in Yosemite. Look at that. Speeding kills bears. I had no idea. And fireworks aren't allowed. I wonder why that is. Oh, there really is? Oh, cabin's down here. Check that out. Mr. Padilla. Our Manly. Foresta Road. Oh wow, a lot of people out there. Oh, a little bridge. Well, that creek ain't running very hard. Well, apparently this is somebody's driveway. Or a lot of people's driveway. How cool would it be to live out here in a national park? This is the end of the road here. Oh, the bridge is out. That sucks. This is Foresta Road, Yosemite National Park. Basically, people living in the town of Old Yosemite. This might just be a driveway, but it's a fun little road. If you're cruising through Yosemite and you want to know where Foresta Road is, this is it. I feel like we're breaking the rules right now, but I gotta go check out this barn. I mean, who has a picture right here? Better go quick in case they start shooting. How cool is this? We'll leave that house alone. Just glad they didn't shoot at us. Or maybe the sign tells us something about it. For changing landscape. Whole barn. German immigrant George Meyer built these two barns by the early 1800s. In 1996, the National Park Service restored them both. So, assumably, we weren't even breaking the rules. A German motorcycle by a couple of German barns. Well, let's get back out on the main Yosemite Road. Foresta was fun. ADV California.